You're going to want to start by turning on the Ricoh Theta X. Once the camera is on, you're able to go connect camera, and you're going to want to go to camera list to find the Ricoh Theta X. The serial number is the number at the bottom you're going to want to enter, and then you're going to want to use default password, and you can also give it a name such as Theta X. It'll prompt you to join. Once connected, you can find your starting location. For this case, we're starting at the same exact location as before. It'll give you a 5-second countdown. Moving on. Once you arrive at your endpoint, you're able to hold to end walk. That will stop the recording on the camera, which then you're able to locate where you've ended your walk, which is over here. Confirm endpoint. It'll transfer the walk over. And once that's complete, you're able to start uploading once back in the office on Wi-Fi or on cellular data.